Yes.
Okay guys, here we have the MCX removal tool with its protective rubber end, which you should keep on at all times when you're not using it, because the end, as you can see, is quite flimsy and can break quite easily. We have an example of an MCX connection, which actually is what fits into these header blocks. And here I have two header blocks. One which works great for removing the MCXs from, and one that doesn't work so great. So now I shall demonstrate how to use this tool on a block which works okay, and also on the other one where it doesn't work so well. So firstly I'll insert the cable in, and to remove it again, insert the tool around the end of the MCX, and quite squarely just push it in, apply pressure, and the cable's ejected out. No messing about, nice and easy to do. Now on this particular header block here, looks identical, same serial numbers and part numbers and everything. Doesn't come out so easy, so I shall demonstrate. Put the cable in, apply pressure. Doesn't come out when we apply the pressure just directly onto it, but we have to rotate it round very carefully, and it should come out once it's done a whole revolution. So there you go. That's how you get an MCX connector out of a header block when it's giving you some grief. The kind of motion I'm trying to show here is, imagine the end of the cable, the end of the header block there. I'm rocking the tool round like that whilst it's inserted over the MCX. So if you see, I shall push the tool on, press it down, you can feel it click, and then you have to roll it around. In that case it came out the first time quickly as well. That's usually because of the position of the sheath around there. If we move it around the other side and put it back in and try and eject it again, you should find that it ejects when the rotation is in a different position. So hear the click, roll it round, there we go.
Can you show us the exaggerated rolling motion?
Exaggerated rolling motion. Sort of rotates it round. It's basically so that the tool can rotate round and eventually press those two parts together to cause it to release from the header block.
Explain what you're doing.
Here I'm showing the tool rotating around a lot more exaggerated than would be required when removing the cable, but it's to give you an idea of how to rock the tool round to release the cable from the header block.